I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If your WhatsApp account has been suspended, don't worry, you can take steps to recover it. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your device. This is the first step to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Check for notifications. Look for any messages from WhatsApp regarding the suspension. They may have sent you an email or notification explaining the reason for the suspension. Step 3. Follow the instructions. Before starting recovery, use the Azure.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Contact support. If you didn't receive any notification, go to the WhatsApp Help Center and submit a support request. Explain your situation clearly and provide any necessary details. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your request, wait for WhatsApp to respond. This can take a few days, so be patient. Check your email regularly for updates. Sometimes, users forget to check the spam folder for replies, which can delay the recovery process. I hope this helps you get your account back. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.